Frustrated because the dealership can't fix your vehicle under warranty? You're not alone. Let's explore what steps you can take if you're stuck in this situation. First, present your vehicle for warranty repairs to an authorized manufacturer dealership. Make sure to document all repair attempts. Keep records of every visit to the dealership, including dates, the nature of the problem, and any repairs performed. This documentation is crucial for building your case. Review your vehicle's warranty to understand what is covered and for how long. The manufacturer's warranty is an assurance that various features and components of the vehicle will work properly for a specified period of time, and if not, the manufacturer is responsible for fixing the problem, free of charge. If the dealership can't fix the issue after repeat repair attempts, notify the manufacturer directly. Sometimes, escalating the issue can lead to a resolution. In California, if your vehicle has a significant defect that the manufacturer cannot fix after a reasonable number of repair attempts, you may be entitled to a refund or replacement under the Lemon Law. This law covers new vehicles that have been repaired under the manufacturer's original warranty. If your vehicle has been subject to repeat warranty repairs and you suspect it's a lemon, it's time to consult a Lemon Law attorney. They can help you navigate the process and ensure your rights are protected. An experienced attorney can guide you through the necessary steps to get the compensation you deserve. If you think your vehicle might be a lemon, don't wait. Contact the Lemon Law experts for assistance. We've been successfully helping consumers obtain compensation for their defective vehicles since 2009. We can help you navigate the process and ensure you get the justice you deserve. Call us at 877-721-4716 today.